Hello guys and welcome back to the Edster Gaming channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to stream to YouTube and Twitch from your Xbox. You see here I've got Twitch loaded up on my Xbox, the Twitch app. You can see here Twitch. You can just get this off the Microsoft Store. Now you can press the start streaming button down here. So once you have started streaming on Twitch, you can load it up on your phone. Now, I can't really actually, put this in because it will cover my mic audio, but if I play this for a second, 22nd of December, got 212 views, which is my first time doing Oil Rig. I might be revisiting. You can see that the UI disappears, and all that's there is the stream itself. Now, basically what you would do with that is you would swipe up on your phone. I think this works for Android too, but I'm not exactly sure. And you would like to go to your screen recording and go to the Omelette Arcade app. Now, if you don't have that installed, you're going to have to install it. But basically what that does is it has a multi-stream function which lets you stream to multiple platforms at the same time. So if you're streaming a mobile game itself, not even with Twitch, if you're streaming a mobile game itself, you can stream to Twitch, YouTube, and a couple other services, as well as Omelette Arcade itself. So it will basically stream to all these platforms as long as you have them linked and you enable the streaming to them in your sort of setup. So it's completely perfect, and basically all it'll have will be a little bit of a delay because you're streaming to Twitch and then to YouTube or whatever other platforms they have afterwards. So it'll have a delay, but you can still stream to. This is probably the best method I've found with just with a phone and your Xbox. Well, that is it for today's video, guys. I will see you in the next one. That is the easiest way I found to stream from your Xbox over here straight to YouTube from your phone. If you have a PC, there is a better method. And yes, my headset's broken. I very much noticed that. But yeah, I don't have my computer, so I can't currently show you the method that I would use. And if you'd like to see any other methods, or if you have any other methods that you would like me to share to everyone else, please comment down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, join my Discord for notifications on what's happening with everything with me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.